Alright, 1988 Porsche 944. I just got the car started and have a new fuel pressure regulator. I have a new DME temperature sensor. We went ahead and drew out what should be the vacuum diagram for a 88 only, 89 only vacuum diagram, and everything looks right. Earlier I had issues where this line here was unplugged. That was my bad. I forgot that when I installed the two reference and speed sensors, I accidentally undid this with my arm. The first 2 weeks we had no power, and by no power I mean engine would not start. Now I'm stuck with this. Just wanted to shut off on me when I just tried to turn it a little. Try that again. And if I do a quick throttle, oh Jesus, wants to shut off. And yeah, that's happening. So I'm wondering if it's this guy, our air fuel meter, or that guy, which is the throttle position sensor. I checked to make sure these little guys are plugged in right, and they are. The boot's good, replaced that last year, but yeah. Quick throttle. Sounded like it almost backfired into the manifold. So I'm basically still at that same step where at least the car is starting, but yeah, I don't know what the hell that is. I do have a small oil leak back here. Gotta take care of that soon. If I accelerate slowly, acts fine. Gun it. Whoa, easy there, girl. You see that smoke there is proof that I definitely did backfire into the manifold. Because I have smoke coming out of my box. It's a little weird. Let me try starting this again. Mind you, I have the oh, my hood fell. The F-Tech 9 box, new, and I bypassed my alarm. It's not focused right. There you go. Bypass the alarm according to Clark's Garage. And you can even see some of the photos in there. Now, why do I have coolant here? That's because when I installed the temp sensor, it was still warm and shot out coolant. Funny enough, after the coolant shot out all over the engine, the car acted somewhat normally. That is, I guess, until the coolant ran off or dried out. So I don't know what happened there. Let's try starting you again. Whoa. Won't start. Let me unlock that hood again. You know, weird thing about this, I don't hear the pump running, which worries me. But it's like, well, isn't this supposed to pressurize? Couple of cranks. Now, if I go and, sorry for the camera being down, grab my DME jumper, take out my DME, put my jumpers in, and I'm gonna put it on 87, 87B, and 30. It needs to be an L3 right there, like so. I can hear the whizzing of fuel, which I don't think I heard last time. Or maybe I was too far away to hear it. Come over. Won't start. That was just backfire from the rear. Nothing. Alright, so DME jumped, no start, AFM unplugged. What do we got? AFM unplugged. Nothing. Let me check to see that the plugs are indeed inserted into the alarm bypass. Keep hearing. I got nothing. I'm gonna try and jump start it. I can hear the fuel pump running. Let's give it a little bit of juice. See what happens now. Yeah, nothing. I don't know what that was. It acts fine now. How crazy was that? Obviously the AFM is unplugged, so if I try to move the throttle, it'll die. So let's plug the AFM back up, see what happens. Oh, okay, just wanted to die. So my thought is either I have a massive vacuum leak somewhere, or I have a dying AFM. Let me know, guys.